Okay, guys. Remember, you're a team.
Okay, stay together.
You're a team now.
Is a spider?
Yes.
Okay, just run past the spider. It's okay. It's okay. She hold Lily, hold his hand. Just left AJ behind. Come on. Okay, Jordan's coming. Jordan's coming. That's his little fake brother. Yay! Go Jordan. That's the big brother. No man left behind.
Or a woman.
Or woman, but you left them. Because he swear he won, we just did go-karts. But what he doesn't know.
One person won before me, but none of y'all catch up to one.
No, because there were people in between. So we were in the double carts, which is like automatically slower because you got the other person in the double cart trying to pull. You didn't, oh my gosh. You could catch up to the single carts, the last single cart. You ain't passed nobody.
No, I just fast. I was fast.
Oh, you were fast? Okay. Why are you so angry about it?
I was fast.
Jay passed you? No, we could have passed Jay, but we were the last double car.
Watch this, and I'm gonna be the last person. I'll let everybody go.
Are we getting the other one? Hold on, no, we gotta get another one. So we just finished doing the go-karts like a million times, and then AJ and I did the Himalaya. I think it's called something else here though. We just finished doing this. So now I'm about to lose my mind and do the slingshot. I don't know if y'all seen the slingshot like on Facebook and Instagram and stuff of people like going crazy on this ride. I'm about to do it. I'm a little nervous. I'm actually not nervous at all. Like I'm excited.
Are you going first?
Huh? Yeah, we're gonna go to my thing first, and then Auntie Isha's gonna do hers. So and then my friend Isha, she's gonna do this little like swing thing here. And then I think we're gonna do the bumper cars like one more time, and then we are going to go get something to eat. Ow! Sorry, AJ. So yeah, where's my thing at? Oh, it's all the way on the other side of the park. Okay, we found it. So this is what I'm getting on. You can't even see the people who are on there now, but you start off low, and then it just like slings you up real high. Y'all see them? That's what I'm about to get on. Oh my God. You ready?
We ready for the slingshot, Emma?
Okay. Oh no, she ran.
No cursing.
Oh, yes, kids. That kid took me up. Whoosh! Flat.
Yeah, my voice is hoarse after that ride. I don't think I screamed so much ever in my life than I did on that ride. Oh, I should have bought the full dollar instead of Dollar Tree. Yeah. I guess that is their Dollar Tree.
And I was waiting for my mom because
You were waiting for me, right?
Yeah.
I have never been on a ride so scary. I should have bought the little USB they give you. Like they showed us our video, and I wish I had bought the video because it was real up there, guys. If that was the way to go, that was the way to go.
It smelled like rainbow butter. Oh my God. Look.
So it's the next day, and we are taking all the kitties to the Crayola experience.
Oh my god.
So yeah, so we're excited. Gonna see how they make crayons. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Baby, you excited? Yeah. Come on, guys. Y'all dancing with the crayons? Come on. We're gonna go see a show. It starts in 10 minutes.
Now you have best friend.
Come on, let's go get lunch, y'all. Come on. So it seems like lunch is only from 12 to 3, so we're gonna have the kids eat something first, and then we're going to experience the Crayola experience. Right? I hope so. I hope you guys are hungry.
No.
Y'all ready for me to press it?
Yeah, press it. Look that way.
It's hard to see you guys. Lift him up a little higher. Okay, you guys ready? Ready, set,
Look
go.
that way. That way. Oh, this paper's high.
You want to try it again? You want to try again?
Okay, let's go on the seat.
Yeah, go sit down. I didn't even realize you could change the background. I wasn't even looking at all that. We took it. AJ and I took our picture.
I did this thing too, Lily. That's it.
Look at them over there. They swear they're brothers. Let me see. You printed it? Oh, I like that. I wish you could print two. Here, print it. Of course, he found his way to Tylertown. You took your socks off too? You didn't have to take your socks off, babe? Woo! You're so silly. Go up, let me see you go down. You gonna come down the little slide? Yay! Okay. Hey! Jordan's over here somewhere. Oh, I think I see him.
They got
Oh, now y'all ready to go in?
Yes.
Oh, they do
You
have
getting
cubbies.
in?
I'm surely not getting in. That's for y'all. You surely cannot take the camera in with you. So they all decided. Jamera, watch AJ in there, okay?
Where's AJ?
He's right behind you. Talk about, am I gonna go in there with them? They lost their mind. AJ, where you going? You're supposed to go up.
Guys, look at this.
Yeah, bring them on down.
Guys, I'm right
Where did AJ just go? Careful, Jordan. Oh, I see him. I guess he's over it. Like, I told him not to come over here. Hi, baby. And you know, I think this one is a little too big for you.
I'm gonna go up there.
You want to go up there? Okay, I need you to be careful, okay? He's such a little daredevil, I can't. Like, he'd go on every single ride, every single thing that he possibly can.
Another ball table, guys. I need an adult this time. I need an 18 up. I need an 18 up. Need an 18 up. Right here? Oh, I'll take it. Yeah, come on up.
Jordan went up there to volunteer.
Look at Jordan. This is your
And Brandy tried to volunteer just now to video build.
Ooh, that was dirty, man. Wow. What's your name, sir? Matt? Nice to meet you, Matt. Where are you from? All right.
We just finished eating, and then this little like silly show just started, so they're watching that. I don't know how long it's going to be for because it's already 4:41 and this place closes at 6, so we're hoping to get them to do a few more things before it closes and we leave. But they're having fun, so that's all that matters. We're happy. Yeah. we're in the airport. I see her. We were just waiting for Auntie Ish to get here, and we are about to go to our gate. We just got through TSA. We had a really good time. We're sad that we're heading out, but it's time to go. You guys had a good time?
Yeah.
You had a good time, Tay? What's the matter? Oh my god. You had a good time, AJ?
What?
That's a yes. Alright, so I'm going to end this vlog now. Thanks for watching.